Blockchains are smart, but they cannot check the weather, look up stock prices, or know who won the football game last night. They are like a computer with no internet. That is where Chainlink comes in. It is the technology that feeds real-world data into blockchains, powering smart contracts that know what is happening outside the blockchain. From pricing your crypto loan to settling tokenized gold or cross-border payments, Chainlink is already trusted by JP Morgan, Visa, Swift, and over 90% of decentralized finance protocols. Here is why that matters, even if you are totally new to crypto. What problem does Chainlink solve? Let's say you are building a smart contract that pays farmers if it rains. Simple idea, right? But here is the issue. Blockchains do not have access to real-world data. They cannot see weather forecasts, stock prices, election results, or even what Ether is trading at right now. This is called the Oracle problem, and it is a huge limitation for smart contracts. Chainlink solves this by acting like a secure internet cable between the blockchain and the outside world. It delivers real-time data from trusted sources using decentralized networks of nodes, so no single person or company can manipulate the result. Real-world examples. Here is how it shows up in the real world. Aave and Compound, two major decentralized finance apps, use Chainlink to get accurate Ether and Bitcoin prices, so people do not get liquidated unfairly. Insurance companies can build smart contracts that automatically pay out if a flight is delayed, because Chainlink can verify flight data in real time. Banks like ANZ and Fidelity are using Chainlink to tokenize real-world assets like bonds, gold, or real estate, and move them securely between blockchains. Visa even cited Chainlink's technology for building identity and compliance checks into tokenized payments. So whether it is decentralized finance, traditional finance, or supply chain tracking, Chainlink is the data backbone. How the tech works under the hood, Chainlink uses what is called decentralized oracle networks, or DONs. Imagine 20 different weather stations all reporting the temperature. Chainlink checks, cross-verifies, and delivers a trusted result to your smart contract. This reduces the risk of any single bad data source ruining the system. They also developed CCIP, the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, which allows secure communication between more than 57 blockchains, including private enterprise chains. That means tokens and messages can move safely across networks, a big deal as the industry shifts toward multi-chain and cross-border systems. Tokenomics and adoption. Now let's talk about the token, LINK. LINK is used for paying Oracle operators, staking to secure the network, and participating in governance and upgrades. Out of a 1 billion link total supply, about 678 million are already in circulation. Nearly 45% of Link is held by large holders, but over 75% of wallets have held Link for more than a year, showing strong long-term belief. Chainlink also launched staking version 0.2, letting users earn up to 4.3% rewards for locking up their Link to help secure the network. Ecosystem growth and partnerships. Chainlink is not just growing, it is dominating. It secures over $65 billion in decentralized finance value across platforms like GMX, Lido, Aave, and more. It is used by SWIFT, the global banking messaging system, to test central bank digital currency payments. It is even working with the United States SEC's crypto task force to set standards for regulated asset tokenization. This shows one thing. Chainlink is trusted by both crypto-native builders and global financial giants. Chainlink is not a currency. It is infrastructure. It connects blockchains to the real world, securely, reliably, and at scale. As more assets become tokenized, from real estate to stocks to carbon credits, Chainlink could become the default pipeline that powers the next generation of smart contracts. But there is competition from projects like Pyth Network and API 3. So the big question is, will Chainlink's first-mover advantage and deep partnerships keep it ahead as tokenized assets grow beyond $2 trillion by 2030? What do you think? Is Chainlink the future internet for blockchains, or just a stepping stone? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto stories explained simply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.